In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stake crypto on Coinbase. If you're new to staking, think of it as putting your crypto to work to help secure a blockchain network and in return, earning rewards. We'll keep this simple and clear, and by the end you'll know exactly how to stake using the Coinbase mobile app or website, plus the key considerations to keep in mind for 2026. First, open the Coinbase mobile app or head to the Coinbase website and sign into your account. Once you're in, go to the Assets or Home section. Here you'll see the cryptocurrencies you hold. Choose the asset you want to stake. Popular options include Ethereum, Solana, or Tezos, though availability can vary by location and over time. Selecting the asset will take you to its details page, where you can see your balance and relevant staking information. Quick note before we continue. To make this easy, you'll find the official Coinbase app download link and the website link at the very top of the description. Use those links to avoid imposter sites and to get to the correct place quickly. On the asset page, look for the stake button. Tap or click it to begin. Now confirm how much you'd like to stake. You can type in a specific amount or choose stake all if you want to commit your full eligible balance. Take a moment to consider your comfort level here. Staking means you're opting into a rewards program that may include a lockup, so choose an amount that aligns with your plans. Next, review the APY and any lockup or cooldown details shown. APY reflects an estimated annual rate and can change over time. Some assets allow near instant unstaking, while others require a waiting period before you can access or trade your funds. When everything looks right, select Stake Now to submit. That's it, the process is complete. Rewards for supported assets are credited directly to your account, and you can track them from the same asset screen. A few important notes for 2026. Staking eligibility depends on your location and applicable rules. Some US states, such as California, Maryland, and New Jersey, may have restrictions based on regulatory notices. Always check what's enabled for you inside the app. Staking also carries risks, including potential slashing if a validator misbehaves on certain networks, and market price volatility during any lockup period. Only stake what you're comfortable holding through those conditions. To recap, log in, pick your asset, start staking, choose your amount, review APY and lockup, and confirm. That's all you need to begin. Thanks for watching.